Hi there, we're back! After 4 successful Kickstarter campaigns, we now have redesigned a classic at the crowd's request. Our goal? To design a lightweight skillet with all the upsides of cast iron and none of the downsides. All gain, no pain. Meet the Buccaneer pan. It's rock solid and suitable for all heat sources, but without heavy lifting or hand burns, and all for a fair price. To use every day, for every dish, and to last a lifetime. As usual, we asked our 10,000 crowd cookware backers for input, and we invited you to test it. Right, guys? We tested their baking, frying, sautéing, roasting, and steaming capacities.
What's the first thing when you open the box?
Wow.
Wow.
I thought it was really pretty.
Our new and improved honeycomb pattern ensures better substance distribution and prevents food sticking to your pan.
There's no sticking, no issues whatsoever with it.
But the non-sticking part, it's absolutely fantastic.
The Buccaneer is easy to clean and just as strong as a traditional cast iron pan, but then 50% lighter thanks to the pressed casting innovation, and for a fair price.
It was lighter than I expected. It was just the right height.
It is so light. I have a cast iron skillet, and the weight is not the same. It's really light.
I took one tissue, 2 seconds, and the pan was clean.
You can use the Buccaneer on all heat sources. And thanks to our coolest handle, burning your hands or tinkering with pot holders with cast iron is history from now on.
The pan heats up really well, but the handle stays surprisingly cool.
Not a problem at all to grab it with confidence and know you're not going to get burned.
Why is it called the Buccaneer? Well, that was our backer Sean's fabulous idea, and we loved it. This is how we create chef-grade cookware for a fair price with the crowd. Let's kickstart the Buccaneer now, a redesigned classic cast iron pan that finally solves all issues of cast iron.
Yes, we can!
I already told my grandma she needs one.
I'm always saying to my girlfriend, "Oh, this pan it's just amazing. I love it."
From 1 to 10, 100.
What if changing the world was as easy as pushing a button? Hey, I'm Matt from Pila, and I want to introduce you to my friend Lomi. At Pila, we're a team of engineers and material scientists, and for the last 3 years, we've been creating something truly special, a solution to the world's garbage problem. Now, before I show you how Lomi is going to change the world, let's talk about why you're going to want one in your home today. Maybe you live in a big city and have a green bin program. You know, those little plastic bins with leaky bags under your sink that are amazing at producing smelly, gross liquid sludge that nobody wants to touch. Raccoons, anybody? Or maybe you don't have a green bin system where you live, and instead, you throw all your food waste into the garbage, which then goes to a landfill, which produces methane, which causes climate change, all while still smelling pretty terrible. Lomi makes your life so much easier. Lomi can compost your food waste, that pesky packaging from your online shopping habit, and even biodegradable plastics. Yep, Lomi even works on Pila's compostable phone cases, all at the push of a button. And as little as a few hours later, your waste has turned into the start of nutrient-rich compost, totally mess-free and odor-neutralized. You probably know us at Pila as the inventors of the world's first compostable phone case. Pila's customers have eliminated more than 41.8 million plastic bags worth of garbage in the last 5 years. To create Lomi, we've spent over 3 years completing more than 1,000 compost tests and endless hours of design and prototyping. Lomi isn't just beautifully designed, it is the world's best home composter, period. Food waste creates 330 billion pounds of garbage in North America each year. Packaging and plastic represent even more garbage and add that number up even higher. Lomi makes food waste a thing of the past and helps you cut up to half of your carbon footprint, all while making odor-neutralized, mess-free compost that you can feed your plants, toss in your garden, send it to the green bin, or put it in the garbage. Together, we can do something that politicians and big businesses can't seem to take any action on, actually helping the planet. We can make trash a thing of the past. Back our project today, and you'll help us bring Lomi to life.